Did you know that Claude can now send emails, texts, and iMessages? In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Claude to Inkbox, the new tool that lets it communicate with the outside world. We'll start in the Claude console. Here, you need to click Customize and go to Connectors. I'll search for the Inkbox connector, press Connect. This will bring you to the Inkbox auth page. You can make an account or sign in using Google or GitHub. To let Claude send emails, SMS, and iMessages, I'll need to make an Inkbox identity for it. Let's call this Dima's Claude Agent. I'll then click Create, Authorize, and it looks like we're connected. To test the connection, I'll ask Claude to tell me its Inkbox identity. Claude tries to use the Inkbox MCP and quickly learns about its email and access to iMessage, SMS, and RCS. Now, let's have it send me its first ever email. I want to know the top daily movers in the stock market. Claude pulls the relevant information from the web and asks me to use another Inkbox tool. In no time, I get the exact email I asked for. Now, let's set up iMessage, RCS, and SMS. To connect with Claude through iMessage, I'll need to send this command to Inkbox. However, I'm too lazy. So I'll go to the Inkbox console and scan this QR code. The Inkbox router will connect me with Claude. And to finish the setup, I'll need to send this start command. Great. Back in the Claude console, I'll ask the agent to send me a text. Once again, it will use another Inkbox tool, and in no time, I get a text on my phone. This is great, but I don't want to go to this web app every time I need Claude to send me an email, SMS, or iMessage. So let's set up a scheduled task that will run once a day. I'll call this task Stocks Daily Briefing, paste the detail command of the exact workflow we just tested, and set the frequency to run daily at 12 p.m. Tomorrow at 12 p.m., I'll be getting an email and text from Claude. Now, if you emailed or texted Claude back, by default, it does not have a way to wake up and process your message. What you can do is set up a similar flow that runs every single hour where Claude reads the last messages and processes them as needed. In this demo, we set up Claude with the Inkbox connector that let it use email, iMessage, and SMS. If you want to give your agents emails, phone numbers, iMessage, or access to other agents, check out Inkbox at inkbox.ai.